Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 21, which is like fractions, adding and subtracting. Isn't it, children? And in the first topic, we have learned what do you mean by like fraction, what do you mean by unlike fraction, and how to write the addition of equal fractions for the given fraction. Isn't it, children? So, in the second topic, we are going to add and subtract the like fractions, adding and subtracting the fractions, which is like fractions, children. For unlike fractions, the procedure is different. How to add and subtract the unlike fractions is different. In this block, in these topics, we are going to learn how to add and subtract the like fractions. That's the block name, isn't it? Like fractions, adding and subtracting. So we will do the addition and subtraction of like fractions. Okay, so let's see the sums. So write the addition statements for the shaded circles. So they have given some circles, yes, and they have made into parts, some parts, and they have colored it. Okay, we have to write the each part fraction of color, and also we need to add to make it one whole. Okay, so let's see. So the first picture is this. So if you see, children, this is a circle, okay, which is divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 parts, in which there are three blue color, one is the purple color or the violet color, and one, two, three, four are white color, or you can say ash color, isn't it? It's looking like an ash, so you can use ash. But here we need to write the addition statements for the shaded circles and make it one whole. So for this, children, for how many parts there are? 8 parts. So first let's write the blue part. Okay, fraction of blue part. So total number of parts is 8. That means the denominator will be 8, isn't it? And what will be the numerator for the blue color, children? 3 parts, no? 1 2 3, 3 parts. So the numerator will be 3. Okay, and let's write the purple one, the violet one. Okay, so and we have to do the addition statements also, isn't it? So let me write the plus first. Okay, now I have to write the violet part. So total number of parts are 8, so the denominator will be 8, isn't it? So number of parts which are colored in violet, it is 1, isn't it? So you will write 1. Okay, that means we wrote from here to here, and this part is left out, which is colored ash, which is colored white, we can say white or ash. So that also the denominator will be same, total number of parts, isn't it? 8. Okay, and how many are there? 1 2 3 4, 4, no? So you'll write 4 in the numerator. Now if you add all these, you will get the complete whole, isn't it, children? One whole. Yes, so and as the denominators are same, 8 8 8 8, in the answer you can directly write the denominator 8, isn't it? So as all are 8 in the denominators, that means these are like fractions, isn't it? And for like fractions, you can directly add the numerators. The denominator will be the same, so the denominator is 8. Now what is the numerator? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 will be 4. And 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 will be 8. Isn't it? So 8 by 8 means same numerator and denominator means 1 whole. That means we have written the whole of this circle. Okay, which is 8 by 8. So in this way you need to write the addition statements for the shaded circles. Okay, so next one. So here also the circle is divided into 8 parts, isn't it, children? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we have to write the fraction. So the denominator will be the 8 because total number of parts are 8. So you will write 8. Now let's write the yellow part. So yellow part, 1 2 3 4. 4. So the numerator will be 4. Okay, plus, and total number of parts are 8, so the denominator will be 8 again. And what are the remaining parts? 1 2 3, 4. 4 are there. So 4 by 8, which will give us, so as the denominators are same, they are like fractions, so we can directly add the numerators. So first let's write the denominator, which is 8, and now you have numerators 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, how much, children? 8, isn't it? So 8 by 8. That means you got one whole. That means you have written fractions for all the parts, isn't it, children? So in this way you need to write the addition statements for the given circles. Okay, it's not compulsory that the circle will be always divided into 8 parts, children. It might be divided into 2 parts, it might be divided into 4 parts or 5 parts, according to the shape they have given, according to the number of parts they have divided. According to that you have to write it down. Okay, there are few more in your daily schedule, children. Copy it down in your class workbook. Okay, so the next question, solve 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6. So here, children, if you look at it, the denominators are same, 6 and 6. That means they are like fractions, isn't it? So when they are like fractions, you can directly add the numerators, isn't it? 1 plus 4. So let's write the denominator, which is same, which is 6. Now numerator 1 plus 4 becomes 5. So 5 by 6. Okay, here we are not making one whole, children. We are just adding the sums, numerators, and writing. Why we are adding the numerators? Because these are like fractions, the denominators are same. Okay, next, 1 by 7 and 6 by 7. 1 by 7 plus 6 by 7. So here also the denominators are same, so you'll write the denominator by 7. And numerators, we need to add 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 will give us 7. So you will write 7. 7 by 7. So here you got one whole. But when we are adding the like fractions, it is not compulsory that you will get one whole. Sometimes you may get, sometimes you may not get. Here in the first one, you did not get one whole. To write one whole for denominator 6, the one whole will be 6 by 6, isn't it? But we did not get, we are just adding, we are not making into one whole. So while we are adding, sometimes we will get one whole, or sometimes we will not get it. Okay, next one. Next you have a subtraction here, isn't it, children? Minus symbol you have. Here also, if the denominators are same, then you can directly subtract the numerators. If they are like fractions, you can directly add or subtract the numerators. Okay, as 8, no, both are 8. The denominators both have 8. So they are like fractions. So you will write the denominator 8. Now numerator 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, how much, children? 3, isn't it? So you will write 3. 3 by 8. Okay, next, 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Here also, these are also like fractions, isn't it? Because the denominator is same, 4 and 4. So you will directly write the denominator 4, and you have 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 1, isn't it? So you will write 1. So the answer is 1 by 4. Okay, children, so in this way you need to do the sums. Okay, so these are the sums. You have to do it in your class workbook. For this question, for the previous questions, there are 2 or 3 more, I guess. Do it in your class workbook. Okay, all these sums. Coming to your homework, children, complete the volume book 3, page number 26, S2, adding and subtracting fractions. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.